Now that your contractor has sent you an invitation to join their REFit team, here is how you can accept the invitation. First, log into your email and check your inbox for an email from REFit. If you do not see an email from REFit, be sure to check your spam inbox, as messages can sometimes accidentally be marked as spam. Next, open the email. You will see an invitation similar to the one on screen. Verify that the name of the contractor is the correct REFit team you were expecting an invitation from. Click Accept Invitation. You will be redirected to the team invitation screen. Select Accept. If you already have a REFit Technicians account, that's it. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your REFit Technicians account. Once you finish setting up your account and reach the Technician dashboard, select the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Then select Account and verify that the name of your contractor is displayed. That's it. You can select the home icon on the top navigation bar to start using the REFit app.